Come test drive the 2011 Ford F-350 Super Duty. Head-to-head fuel efficiency, head-to-head towing, head-to-head torque. Ford F-350 Super Duty. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, traction control, anti-lock braking system, power steering, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio, clock, front reading lamps, intermittent wipers. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
This Ford certified pre-owned vehicle has undergone a rigorous inspection by factory-trained technicians. We notice everything. Enjoy the confidence of the comprehensive limited warranty that offers coverage on more than 500 components. Relax, it's covered. See your dealer for details.